Hello, and welcome back to your favorite channel, English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about something very powerful and personal. How waking up every day with English on your mind can actually change the way you learn and speak English.
Yes, that's right. English should not just be a subject or a task. It should become a part of your lifestyle. Today, we will explain how thinking about English first thing in the morning can help you become fluent faster and stay motivated.
Let me begin by asking you, Altaf, how do you feel when you wake up and the first thing you think about is English?
Honestly, Annie, it makes me feel very focused and driven. When I open my eyes and think, okay, today I'll learn a new word or practice speaking for 10 minutes. I feel I've already taken one strong step ahead.
That's really inspiring. And I think this is something our viewers can also start doing from today. When you wake up and your mind is fresh, you can set a small English goal for the day. Maybe just one sentence to speak, one video to watch, or one new word to learn.
Exactly. The way you begin your day sets the tone for the rest of your day. If your first thought is English, your brain slowly adapts to this habit. It becomes natural. Like brushing your teeth, thinking in English can become a routine.
Many students think they can't learn English because they don't have time. But the truth is, it's all about habits. If you make English part of your routine from the time you wake up, you don't have to make time. It's already there in your day.
Yes, and it doesn't mean you have to study for 2 hours in the morning. It could be something small, like thinking in English while brushing your teeth, or planning your day in English in your mind. Even saying good morning to yourself in English helps.
Let's talk about some things people can do in the morning to start their day with English. Altaf, what would you recommend?
Great question. Here are some simple ideas. Set an English affirmation. Say something like, I am improving my English every day. Read one short paragraph in English, maybe from a storybook or news article. Watch a short English video. Even a 3-minute clip helps. Practice speaking out loud. You can even speak to yourself in the mirror. Think in English. For example, plan your breakfast in English. Today I'll eat eggs and toast.
Those are great ideas, and they don't take much time. Viewers, what Altaf just shared is a golden routine. If you follow even one or two of these steps each morning, your English will start to grow automatically.
That's right. Another thing I do is keep a small notebook beside my bed. Before sleeping, I write one English sentence. When I wake up, I read it again. It keeps my mind connected to English.
That's such a smart trick. I'm going to start doing that myself. Now, some people may feel lazy in the morning or forget to practice. What's your advice for them?
I would say, don't be hard on yourself. Start small. You don't need a big goal. Just do one small thing related to English as soon as you wake up. Once it becomes a habit, you'll begin to love it. Your brain will automatically ask, what English thing am I doing today?
It's just like drinking water when you wake up. If you keep a glass of water near your bed, you'll drink it. Same with English. If you keep an English book, notebook, or your phone with an English app near you, you'll remember to use it.
Yes, the environment really helps. If you surround yourself with English, even in small ways, you'll keep improving. Your mind is very powerful in the morning. That's why it's the best time to focus on learning.
Let's imagine this. You wake up and your first sentence in your mind is, I'm going to learn something new in English today. How different will your day feel compared to someone who just scrolls social media or wastes time?
It's a huge difference. That one sentence can fill you with energy, confidence, and purpose. It sets your brain on the right track. That's how powerful morning thoughts are.
Viewers, let's be honest. We all want to speak English fluently, but most of us forget it during the day. By starting your day with English on your mind, you're taking control. You're choosing growth.
And don't think this is only for students. Even professionals and adults can benefit. Whether you're a college student, a housewife, or a businessman, if English is your goal, then morning is your best friend.
Now let's talk about motivation. How can someone stay motivated to do this every day?
One word, consistency. Even if you miss a day, don't give up. Get back on track the next morning. Motivation doesn't come from big actions. It comes from regular small steps. Also, remind yourself why you want to learn English. Is it for a job, for travel, for confidence? Keep your reason in mind.
Beautifully said, Altaf. So viewers, from tomorrow when you wake up, just do this. Say one English sentence, think one English thought, or read one English line. That's it. You're already on your way.
And remember, the more you practice in the morning, the easier it becomes during the rest of the day. If you start your morning in English, you'll find yourself using English more naturally all day.
Let's now wrap up today's discussion. Altaf, would you like to share what we've learned today?
Sure. In today's video, we talked about the importance of starting your day with English on your mind. We shared tips like thinking in English when you wake up, speaking simple sentences, reading short texts, and setting English goals. We also discussed how these small habits can build a big change in your language skills.
Yes, and we also reminded you that it's not about finding time. It's about using small moments wisely. Your morning is your golden time. Use it to grow your English confidence.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more useful and friendly English learning videos.
See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and always wake up with English on your mind. Goodbye.